Now let's see box plots. Box plots helps to understand more about the summary statistics of a continuous variable, like how a histogram would bin a continuous variable and gives us the frequencies of that. The box plot, on the other hand, computes the statistical information such as the mean, median, 25th and 75th quantiles, and also any outlier points if any. Let's see that example with empty cars weight column. Now this is the column that we want to plot the box plot for, and it looks like this. Let me show you how to interpret this. The bold line in the center is the median. In the top line of the box is the 75th quantile. Bottom line is the 25th quantile. There is a leaf in either side of the box. The upper line on the top and the bottom represents 1.5 times the interquartile range. Interquartile range is nothing but the difference between the 75th percentile and 25th percentile in the points. By the way, what I mean by percentile is you have this continuous variable. On sorting this in ascending order, the point that occurs at a position where 75% of all the points are below it is called as 75th of that particular continuous variable. Now, any point that lies outside these leaves is considered as an outlier. Now, these 2 points over the top can be considered as an outlier according to this sort of a classification. These are likely to be 5.24 and 5.345 we have over here. Now this is a box plot of the entire WT column. Now you can group the WT column by another categorical variable and draw box plots based on that. Now in this example, I have the box plot of MPG grouped by the cylinder column. If you study this output, as the number of cylinders increases on the x-axis, the length or the width of the box and the positioning of the box is one below the other as the number of cylinders increase. So clearly, as number of cylinders increase, the mileage of the car decreases. We can strongly make this statement because the median of the second box lies clearly below the lower 25th percentile of the first box. Same is the case of 8 versus 6 also. Not just the median, the upper 75th percentile of 6 cylinders is well below the 25th percentile as well as the lower leaf of the box corresponding to 4 cylinders. Had it been the case where the box corresponding to 6 cylinders is lying somewhere over the top, it may not cover the entire range of say 22 to 30 of the 4 cylinder, but if it is somewhere over the top over here, we may not be able to strongly make this statement. But clearly the entire box is below the 4 cylinder box.